everybody, I'm Ariane Brabant. I'm a business development manager with TAG Hardware, and we're here today at IWF Atlanta to show you what's new, what's latest and greatest. So TAG is launching this product line called Contour, which is a series of drawer organizers that go beyond the top drawer, your jewelry insert. So let me show you what we got. So Contour is basically a concept. It is a custom product without the hassle of custom. This is a product that is trimmable, it's adjustable, it is movable, so you can tailor your needs, the client's needs to the product. So you have a ring insert, we're going to have jewelry and earring inserts as well. What you're looking right here right now, it is the oyster faux leather finish in a jewelry drawer setting. We also have a tie and belt drawer, same concept. These inserts, they are trimmable, so you can fit it to any drawer size. You have the liner that is basically the core of the system because you use a negative space to create different compartments and different spacing inside of the drawer system. We also have the liner itself, which can be ordered just to dress up a thin drawer or just work in conjunction with the rest of the Contour line. And my personal favorite, which are the dividers. Now these are really cool. They're coming in 3 and 5 inch heights, and they're fully repositioned within the drawer. So you can really create different configurations, create multiple spacing, and it's a game changer in terms of the flexibility that you have with the system. It's all based off of a rail system that goes in the front and in the back of the drawer, which allows for the dividers to travel across. So this is really cool. Not to mention that the whole entire product line from TAG is coordinated. So you're going to have 3 different finishes of faux leather with oyster, winter, which is the white, and pewter, which is the gray. That extends with our decorative hardware collection, as well as the symphony wall organizer, which you're seeing here. Now we're looking at the jewelry hook, and this is actually a cool design with the symphony. Typically you see the symphony kind of like in a square or rectangle, but you can also offset the horizontal bars to create this cool design. And if you go look up, you can see the leather wrapped hanging rod, which is also fully coordinated with the rest of the TAG system. The pole cups come in 6 different colors that will coordinate with everything that TAG makes. Here we also have the Engage product line. We have the Engage jewelry organizer, which is, again, another option for you to organize jewelry. You can create different spacing in this as well. Not as customizable as the Contour that we talked about earlier, but nevertheless, it's a fantastic product line. This even allows you to put a drawer face if you don't want to see the front of the product for more concealed and a softer look. But Engage was really designed to be exposed. And paired with the illuminated glass shelf that now comes in black. This is a new product for us. Black has been a top-selling finish in the industry across the board. So we want to make sure that all of the products come in that finish as well. And last but not least, is one of my favorite things from TAG is the pull-out mirror that really delivers a lot of visibility for the closet, and in small spaces, it's just a fantastic product. So yes, that's what we got here, our Engage line, our Contour, available through Häfele.